Oh, it's a new app, it's a new app, it's a new app. It's a new social network in the world. Vero! Do you ever heard about Vero? Oh no, oh it isn't good, you know? That is the new shit. You have to know it. You have to have it on your phone. Yeah, for sure. Okay, the first point is, it isn't new because the app was released in 2016. So, and the app is 2 years old, yeah? So it is new, but it doesn't matter. For the first time, it doesn't matter. For the second time, no, because at the moment there's a big hype about the app, and I don't really understand it. I don't understand it. Why? Why there is so many people in the world to say, oh, you have to know, Vero, it's the new social network. You have to know it, and you have to have it. What? I don't understand it. I don't know why Vero has to be the new social network, has to be the biggest thing at the moment. I don't know why. Because it is like Facebook, it is like Instagram. Okay, not really, because it could be the same, but it isn't. It is the same like Facebook and Instagram from 2012, 2013 and stuff like that, because at this time the newsfeed was 10 o'clock, 10:01, 10:02, 10:03, 10:04, 10:05, and again and again and again and again and again. And in 2018, the newsfeed of Facebook and Instagram is that what I like. So I like the pic of pet, I like maybe Coca-Cola or stuff like that. And just this is in my fucking newsfeed. And here it is like 2012. So it is 3 hours ago, it is 16 hours ago, it is 1 day ago, it is 1 day ago too, it is 2 days ago too, it is 2 days ago too, it is 2 days ago, it is 3 days ago, it is 4 days ago, and on and on and on. So that is really nice. It is like the past. And the past was really good. But there is nothing else what I can tell you about it. So what I have to like, what I like, I don't know. It is the profile. Yeah, it is cool, but it is like Instagram. The collections, okay, the collections are really good, So you don't have to post just photos and videos. You can post links, you can post music, you can post movies, you can post books, and maybe, oh, hey guys, I'm at a moment in New York. Oh, hey guys, I wanna fly to Germany. Oh, hey guys, I'm now in Berlin. Yeah, so you can post villages, countries, and stuff like that. So everyone knows where you are and what you do. But that is on your choice. So you can say, okay, just my friends. Ah, no, just the second friends. Oh no, maybe just my followers. Okay, that will be great. So my biggest photo have to see my first friends. The post of my video has to be the circle of my second friends, and the link of my newest very wonderful music track, yeah, has to go to my follower. So it's your choice. You can choose who see your post. That is pretty good. But at the moment, it doesn't matter because the function is 0. There is nothing in work. So when I like a pic, it like and a dislike. at the same time. The function is not really good. When I want to have a friend, so I just accept it, and seconds later I have to accept it too. And seconds later I have to accept it again. And again and again and again. So what? The app is 2 years old and nothing has to be like this. Every other app would be better than this. Yeah, I know it is beta and it is new, but it isn't new and it isn't a beta since 2 years. So what the fuck? Really, for sure. What's going on? I don't get it. I don't get it. Vero could be cool, really, could be cool, but at the moment, no. No, not really. Not really. And the first million, the first million users can get it for free. After that, you have to pay for it. So what? Is it just marketing to get the first million users and more and more and more? Or is it like, okay, the first million users could be the app for free and otherwise has to be paid for it. So there is not advertising, there is nothing to see like Facebook and Instagram, stuff like that. And yeah, you have to pay for it. What? Is it the future? It could be, but it isn't my future. So, Vero, that was really good 2 days with you, and have a nice day. See you later, alligator. What about you? Did you use Vero? What about you? Did you like Vero? Post it in the comments below. That is pretty interesting. What do you think about it? So, if you liked the video, thumbs up there or there. I don't know yet. Could be another video. You have to see it. And for now, have a good day. Have a good evening. Whatever. It doesn't matter. We want to see us in the next video. So, bye bye.